Merry Christmas from Nana. And to all my subscribers and everyone out there.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Let's get to cooking, turn up the heat. You just getting started? Well, she the vet. One question for you, y'all hungry yet? Who the best in the city? Don't hold your breath. Say you with me, cause Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making a pull-apart Christmas tree. The ingredients that we're going to need today is 1 can of pizza crust, your favorite marinara sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1½ teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 7 mozzarella sticks, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 egg for egg wash, and 4 tablespoons of butter. Now we're going to cut each of our mozzarella sticks into 4 pieces. Now you want to put a little bit of flour on your surface, and we're going to open our can of pizza crust. Now we're going to cut 25 to 30 squares out of our pizza crust. Okay guys, I just used a pizza cutter. Now we're going to take a piece of our cheese. I'm going to put it in the center of your pizza crust. And we're just going to put. Now all you want to do is repeat the process. Now you want to line a baking sheet with parchment paper. So we're just going to begin at the top and work our way down until we have made a Christmas tree. Okay guys, now you can heat your oven to 400 degrees. Now you want to beat your egg for the egg wash, and you want to add 1 tablespoon of water to it. So now we're just going to go over top of our pizza crust. Okay guys, as you can see, it's now done. Also, some of the cheese had oozed out of it, but that's fine. Okay guys, you want to melt your 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to add in our garlic powder and our Italian seasoning. Just want to go ahead and mix that until it's well combined. Now we're going to add in some of our grated Parmesan cheese and mix until it's well combined. Okay guys, now we're just going to take our butter mixture and brush it over top of our pull apart tray. Okay guys, so here we have it, our pull apart Christmas tree. You also want to make sure that your marinara sauce is heated up. As you can see, the inside is nice and cheesy. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?